What is up, guys? It's Fix and Fit Me here, and today we're doing a full restoration and upgrade on this iPhone XR. So yeah, guys, I got this iPhone XR right here for $100 in a lot of 3 iPhones. The other 2 iPhones are already repaired and out of here. So we are now left with this XR. It does function, but obviously it's missing a full screen. So today I have a parts phone right here. Sadly it is black, but as the price of XRs are going down very rapidly and the price of parts phones are stupid expensive, I was able to score this guy for $75, and I got super lucky because parts phones are fully clean parts phones are like $200, which these phones right here go for $250, $300 fully working, maybe. So I have a good condition housing right here. It is slightly scuffed up there, but other than that it is in perfect condition. And I have a perfectly good working OEM Apple screen. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with swapping everything over from this red housing to this black housing. Sadly I wasn't able to find another color. It would have been really nice if I did, but it is what it is. We are also going to be doing a upgrade today. We have a dual SIM card reader for the iPhone XR. This was only made in China, so this phone is going to be a rare phone as it's never really been done before. So yeah, it will turn the phone into a dual SIM card phone. I also have the dual SIM card tray right here. It's sadly red because I wasn't really able to get another color, but I'll try and find a black one later. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We have to take everything out of this housing and put it into here. We have to take the battery, the motherboard, and the Face ID out of here and transfer it to here, as all of those items are paired with this motherboard because Apple does not like people to repair their things. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright guys, we're back. That battery was a pain to get out. I had to use that adhesive, was like cheese. It wasn't there. So I had to use some isopropyl alcohol, and we got the battery out. So let's go ahead and let's get the Face ID out, and I think that'll be it. Alright, there we go. Face ID is out. That is a very painstaking process because they have adhesive on the bottom of the module. So if you pull it too hard or anything like that, it just rips it. Alright, everything in the red housing that we need is taken out. Let's go ahead and let's start putting everything in to the black housing. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and let's put everything onto the screen now that we have everything inside the housing. Alright, there we go. Now we'll go ahead and slip in the battery just as a test fit for now. Go ahead and plug in the screen. Battery's plugged in. Let's go ahead and let's power it on. Alright, there we go. So far, that's a good sign. Alright. So far, so good. Alright, we seem to be good. So let's go ahead and shut it off and we'll keep putting it back together. Alright. Let's finish up here. I'm gonna unplug the battery. We'll unplug the screen. Alright, let's go ahead and let's put the tabs onto the battery. Alright, I got the adhesive on the battery. Alright, there we go. Battery's installed. Let's go ahead and let's put on the screen seal, dust seal. Plug that guy in, and then let's go ahead and let's put all the brackets and stuff on. Guys, we are back. So I had to cut it there because I could not find this cover at all. Out of the 2-parts phone that I have, all of the screws and bolts and all that stuff, I could not find it. So I had to order it. Thankfully, Amazon came in clutch. I thought I had this laying around somewhere and I found a piece super close to it, but it wasn't the exact piece. So let's go ahead and let's finish this up. So everything else is already ready to go. We just have to put this guy in there. Alright, there we go. Final brackets on. Let's go ahead and clean it up. The adhesive is already installed as I installed that earlier. And we can go ahead and close it up. That crunch, power it on, there we go, and then we can go ahead and put the bottom screws in. And just like that, we are done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. And if you like seeing this kind of content and want to see more, please subscribe. It helps me a lot, and it also helps me grow in the algorithm and make better videos for you guys. This video did take quite a bit of time to make, as trying to find a perfectly working iPhone XR with a good screen and back for under $100 was very hard to do, especially in this kind of market. And just throwing in the dual SIM upgrade was, in my opinion, a very good little kick into it. Anyways, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.